Welcome to the 6th video in this series on the general care and maintenance of the AMS instrumentation and control filling valves, also known as refueling control valves or flight valves. This video shows how to replace the valve head seal and the base cap seal. These seals should be replaced as part of each product service, as they are critical to the valve operation. Follow the procedure in the disassembly and assembly video to take the valve apart and access the valve head assembly. All maintenance tasks should be carried out in a clean workshop environment with the correct tooling. Using a rounded instrument, lift off the distributor seal, being careful not to damage the body. To access the valve head seal, remove the SV62 circlip, again making sure you don't nick or damage the valve head. Take off the SV19 retaining ring and carefully remove the SV20 seal. Clean the valve head and retaining ring and inspect the parts for signs of damage, including nicks and corrosion. Clean the bleed hole and make sure it is clear. The distributor seal is easier to fit. Make sure it's the correct way up, then use a blunt, flat edge to press the seal into place. Inspect it to make sure it's fully seated. It should rotate freely once in place. Fit a new valve head seal, part number SV20, making sure the seal is flat onto the valve head shoulder. Fit the retaining ring and a new retaining clip, part number SV62. It's essential to make sure the retaining ring is central, otherwise the pressing of the SV20 valve head seal will not be done correctly. AMS provide pressing tools which can be used. The press we use for new products ensures all parts are in place and an even force is used to press the seal down without damaging any parts. We also offer a low-cost press, which can be used for lower volume work. Our part number is SVT-001, and it's available to buy from our offices. Whichever tool is used, make sure the seal is firmly pushed into place. The SV20 seal may appear to be in place with a good hand push fit. However, it is essential to use a suitable press, as a hand push fit will probably come loose in service and cause the product to fail. Once the valve head seal has been fitted, visually inspect the seal and clip to make sure they haven't been damaged in the fitting process. Follow the reassembly procedure video to put the valve back together, ensuring that both seals are lightly greased when refitting the valve head. Thanks for watching. More information on our product range and maintenance can be found on our website, or contact us via sales@ams-IAC.com.